Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In this quick video, I'll show you how to disable pop-ups in Google Chrome step by step. If you're tired of annoying pop-up ads or random windows opening while browsing, this guide is for you. Let's jump in. Start by opening Google Chrome. Click on the three dots in the top right corner of the browser, then select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the left sidebar, click on Privacy and Security. Now select Site Settings from the options that appear. This is where you control what websites are allowed to do, like including pop-ups. Scroll down and click on Pop-ups and Redirects. By default, it may be set to Sites can send pop-ups and use redirects. Change it to Don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects. This will block all unwanted pop-ups across all websites. If there are websites you trust and want to allow pop-ups on, like banks or school portals, you can add them under Allowed to send pop-ups and use redirects. Click Add, then paste the site URL and click Add again. If you're still getting weird pop-ups, it might be from cached junk or malware extensions. To help with that, go back to Privacy and Security, click on Clear Browsing Data. Select cached images and files and clear them. And that's it. You've now successfully disabled pop-ups in Google Chrome. If this helped you, be sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you have any other browser issues you'd like me to cover. Thanks for watching, and enjoy smoother, cleaner browsing.